Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one interesting Web3 project that's called XZone, a platform that wants to turn traffic, interactions, and community activity into real on-chain value. A quick disclaimer before you check XZone, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and always do big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So now let me explain you what is XZone. So at its core, XZone is a Web3 engagement platform, but not in a traditional sense. It's designed as a traffic engine that helps both users and projects grow through interactions, gaming, social engagement, and DeFi mechanisms. So you can think of it as one-stop hub where projects find real users and users earn rewards through real participations, which is really cool. So the team behind XZone is building what they call the first gateway for Web3 users. Their goal is to make every person, not just investors or developers, an actual contributor to the ecosystem, which is a really cool thing. So here users can earn assets and reputation simply by playing, completing tasks, and interacting with other people, which is really cool. So over time, you evolve from being a newcomer to becoming a valued participant in the network. And the flip side, developers and project teams use XZone as a collaboration hub, helping team reach rewards and retain users at a much lower cost. So XZone combines few major layers that are normally separate in Web3. First one is gamify, so play to earn mini games where users can participate casually and still earn something, which is a really good thing. So after that we have task incentives, so by completing ecosystem tasks gives you extra air points which will later function as a full token. After that we have DeFi layer. Staking, mining, and token incentives create a stable capital foundation for the ecosystem. Also, you have social integration, where a social layer value is tied to your behavior and interactions, connecting everything under one identity. So the result is an ecosystem where traffic equals value and users become creators of that value, which is a really important thing for the community. And XZone uses a dual token mechanism, which helps separate ecosystem utility from the governance, which is really good. So for now, the platform operates on XOE points, which act as internal credits. In the future, XOE will be fully tokenized and used for game identity interactions, tax rewards, staking and liquidity, governance vote. So this structure keeps the ecosystem flexible and transparent, while giving users multiple ways to participate in this thing right now, which is really good. And the roadmap shows that XZone is expanding step by step towards a massive ecosystem. So now let's break down each of these stages. So we have phase 1, or you can see it's happening in quarter 2 of 2025. So this is made for X1 airdrop season. First mini games and task systems, XOE TGE or token generation event, and we have solar NFT launch. We can see phase 2, or we can see it's happening on the quarter 3 of 2025. We can see it's made for launch of 5 casual games fee titles, community squads and X-tasks models. Airdrop season 2 is going to happen then, and you can see there is also staking, mining and incentive governance. And the phase 3, which is happening on the quarter 4 of 2025, is made for DID reputation system, multi-project collaborations, and task and social marketplaces, which is really good. And you can see last but not least, final phase, or we can see it's made for the future of the token or the project. It's made for XZone Bank launch, DO based governance and voting, and you can see it's full multi-chain expansion, which is really big thing for the future of this project. So you can see this isn't just one-time product, it's a multi-layer Web3 infrastructure that keeps evolving, which is really good to have updates every single time. And on the white paper we can see tokenomics for XZone. So by scrolling down we can see everything about this big explanation, and right here we can see this blue thing shows the exactly tokenomics, or let's say the ecosystem of this token. So you can see total supply is 1 billion. We can see 10% is going to go for XZone DO, 5% for liquidity reserve, and you can see for ecosystem output, or we can see for X farm, X test, X fee, and X link is going to be about 85%, which is really good economics. And here's how anyone can be part of XZone. So actually you can see what they say. Join XZone with friends, unlock mystery boxes and XOE rewards. So right here you're going to collect your coins or tokens, however you want to call it. We can see that here we have 3 easy tasks to do, or and we can see for new users you only need to do 2 of these tasks to go. So you can see first one is to purchase 5 XOC. We can see after that you need to bind your Twitter account. You can see that one task has a star, which is meaning search items must be complete. So you can see this is for Twitter, is a must do, and from these two you need to do one of them to go after this. So you can see last one is official download channel, and by clicking anything of these you're going straight to do the text that is important for you. Also you can see by completing the task you will earn 10 extra week, 1 mystery box and 1 extra GV volume, which is a really good thing. So after that we have clan, which you can also make, which is really good. And right here you can see some family pool right here, and we can see the member pool, and also we have the clan pool right here. So this is on dashboard that is showing family GV right here. So by scrolling down on the right side we can see family GV, and on the left side we can see the ranking of this. Also in the, let's say, the middle of this we can see the number of people, or we can see a number of people that are in the clan, let's say like that. And this is the X-Treasury. So right here you can see the total amount of X-Treasury is 160,000. Also right here you can see multi-token details is over 500,000. Really good. We can see today's X-Treasury increase for 1, which is a really good thing that we can see it's improving. Also you can see available XO supplies 8 right now. You can get more right here. You can see it's changing by the time right now because it's live. And by scrolling down you can see also one leaderboard for this. We can see right now 8 people right here. You can see amount on the right side, and the left side you can see their rank. So this is really good. And also I need to mention that each mystery box opened by user will add 1 XOC into X-Treasury, and the fund in X-Treasury will be used for XOE market support, which is really important stuff to know. And we can see first basic tasks that you need to do, and by scrolling down you can see social tasks right here. You can see that's all basic tasks. You can see check in, please complete this task, and you can see unlock tasks. After you do this you will unlock other tasks. And also we have last section for this, which is my account. So right here you can check everything what is happening to your profile. We can see my GV, also we can see number of direct referrals and number of indirect referrals. Also we have on the bottom facts about this coin, which you can check for yourself, or let's say you have mystery box rules, clan system, how is going to how is it, clean mining rules, what is daily volume, what is X-Treasury, and everything that you need to know we'll find on the my profile section. And this is a Twitter profile which have almost 200 followers, which are really good because they just started. So you can see for this time they almost have 100 posts, which is a really good thing because that means they're active. And because of that we will drop a follow right now, and by scrolling down we can see what are they posted. So their first post is pinned on October 12th. We can see the XZone is officially launching, so you can see their most powerful clan fission system on Web3 is coming, which is really good. You can check that right here, and you can see that post made almost 2,000 impressions. That's a really good number of impressions because that means they're really growing and the community is interested to see what they have to show, which is the most important thing. So because of that we're going to drop a like right now, and I highly recommend to check their Twitter profile or everyday social media because research is the most important thing in crypto space. So that wraps up our review of XZone. If you found this very helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.